Hi, and welcome to Piano Professor. I'm John D.V. Mabry, but you can call me JD or not late for dinner, right? It's all good. I'm so glad that you're here. This community is for piano teachers, parents helping a child, and people who want to learn piano themselves. And you do not need to own the Piano Professor app to belong here. You can learn, share, attend workshops, ask questions, and help other people. I will be showing a couple things through the app just to let you know, and I think that will be helpful for even the people who don't have it. I want to let you know also that it's at a discounted rate. It's cheaper than an hour lesson from me. Anyway, we're in beta. And what does that mean? It means you are arriving early while the community and parts of the Piano Professor are still growing. And getting here early is valuable. It's a better thing because you get a voice. You can tell me what is useful, what is confusing, what you wish existed, and what would make teaching or learning piano a lot easier. My teacher friends, for example, I'm going to have something for you to show you how I structure my classroom and all the lesson plans for that example. Those you learners, I'm going to have something for you. Well, let me go ahead and start you out where learning happens, basically. So if you take a look at right here, you have the community where you post stuff, and you have the classroom as well. The classroom right here, you can see that this video is actually going to be for the first class right here, and this is the start and the welcome that we have. You have a calendar of any meets, and this Friday, actually, from when I'm recording this, you can see that I will have something coming up actually in July here, and you'll see that later. And then members, maps, leaderboards, all other things exist. Pretty soon these will be labeled, and then after that you'll get certain rewards and have certain things that you get. How do you get a level up? Well, you either, when you make a comment, you can get a like, and when you get a like, you get a point. So I strongly believe that the universe gives you what you give to it, and I'm really strong about that. So you belong here if you're going to be a super awesome, supportive, amazing person. We are not here to tear anybody down or feel like we're better than anybody or any of that stuff. It's room for everybody. And so I say that, so if somebody says something that you resonate with, like, just go and put that like, and you'll get likes yourself, and just make friends here. Any yucky comments, we will remove you from the community. I really want to put that there. It's really, really important that we stay awesome to each other, and there it is. Anyway, you don't have to do everything today. Take one step at a time. Meet a person or say hello or not. Be a complete fly on the wall to see what happens here. But whatever is here, I'm making it to help you be a voice. I'm excited to build this with you, and let's get started.